Well, insurance woes continue for Louisiana citizens. Tens of thousands have lost their property insurance over the last year. And News 15's Kenny Dar spoke to an insurance agent about what they've experienced recently. Kenny, what's caused this migration of insurance companies to leave the state?
Well, Lauren, after 4 major hurricanes, 8 company failures, and about a dozen more choosing to pull out of the state altogether, it's left many homeowners in limbo as we enter the peak of a predicted above-average hurricane season.
Companies I could go to. This year, I'm very limited.
I think homeowners insurance is just vital for any homeowner, obviously, because you have to hedge against risk.
A shakeup that's left thousands of Louisiana citizens scrambling for homeowners insurance, as many private insurance companies have canceled policies or refused to work in the state altogether. Jennifer Monso is an insurance agent, and she says companies are simply not willing to take risks on certain properties.
You know, if your roof is over 10 years old, it knocks you out of several markets. Or if your house is over 50 years old, or if you have a metal building on your property. Those are all things that will knock you off of different risks.
For many people, they've turned to the state-run insurance organization, the Louisiana Citizens Property Insurance, which covers 75,000 homes and businesses, more than double the number of policies when Hurricane Laura struck in August 2020.
In the wake of Laura, my mother's house was destroyed, and she, had equity in it but didn't own it. But she was completely screwed out of any real remuneration.
I think the companies are scared because of our last 2 years of hurricane. We've had some bad storms and we've had some bad years.
Monso says if Louisiana can avoid disaster this hurricane season, she believes companies will return, though it could take some time.
Hopefully this year God can spare us and we can have a good year and not have too many hurricanes or not have any. If that's the case, I think we will see an influx of some companies coming back. Now, whether it's going to be like it was 2 years ago, I see that taking several years.
Now, I did reach out to the Louisiana Department of Insurance for comment on what and if they plan on doing anything to attract these private companies back to the state. For homeowners I spoke to, they say they're biting the bullet in terms of premium cost because the alternative, should Mother Nature strike, could be much more expensive. Live in Lafayette, Kenny Dar, News 15.